Hey friends, today I'm unboxing the Unbreakable Wooden Man magic toy. So I saw this online, little video, thought I'd check it out, looked pretty cool. I thought there was something to do with magnets, but no, I don't want to be a spoiler, but there's a little wire that this guy, if you've seen the videos of it, looks pretty neat though. So it comes with a little hammer and some wooden pieces here where you can stack the guy together. Also, it comes with some let's see, these pieces here, I'll stack up the guy. Black, blue, red, yellow, or orange, yellow. So there's a little guy right there. And I will do a demonstration of this. But if you've seen the videos, it looks really convincing. But so it's this part, and then it has an earpiece and some very fine string there. You probably can't even see it, but there's a string wrapped around this paper here, so suspended by this earpiece here, and it has a little winding up the string here. So that's that, and then a little plunger that holds that in. I don't want to lose that. And in the bottom of the black piece, I already kind of put this in there a little bit. Oops, dropped the head. I don't know if we'll even be able to see this, but there's a, if I can get the light just right, maybe. There's a little part that goes in there. So you wrap the wire through the top and it goes in the bottom here, and you can make it perform some pretty cool tricks. I will be doing a demonstration video so as I practice a little bit more, and we'll be able to check that out. But you can grab this from Amazon. For, what does it run now? I think about $4 or $5. I'll leave a link in the description below, and you guys can check it out if you want to. But I'm pretty excited to do the magic trick. I've always kind of liked magic, so they're doing magic tricks, even though I'm not very good at it or watching it. So thanks for watching that little unboxing of the Unbreakable Wooden Magic Man toy, and we'll see you next time, my friends. Have a great day.